Hello everyone, thank you for joining me again today. In this video, let's cover a quick tip on how to refresh the look of your wheel lug nuts. Now, this is how my current wheel lug nuts look like. These are the ones that are not treated, not refreshed. And over here on this side, I have a couple that I have refreshed. And they look cleaner. They definitely look cleaner. To the naked eye, they definitely look much nicer. Now, is this worth doing? Because it is so easy and so simple, I think it's worth doing. Let me show you what my process looks like, and then you be the judge. So all you need is this turtle wax, chrome polish, and rust remover. Shake the product well. Once you've mixed it up, take one of your lug nuts and just apply a small amount, like so. And you can spread it around all the areas that you would like cleaned or polished. Make sure you have good even coverage. Don't skip any spots. And once this is done, put it back. At this point you can walk away, go have a coffee, get a tea, and come back after half an hour, whenever this paste dries up completely. That's when you want to be back here. We'll take a pause for a moment, and then we'll go on to the next step. All right, we're now about half an hour later. The paste has dried up. Here's how it looks on the surface when it's dry. Just take a paper towel, wipe it off. Here's the dirt and debris from the nut. And here it is, nice and clean. For comparison, I'll take this one. And you can kind of see them side by side. Arguably, this is not too dirty to begin with, but it does leave it in a much nicer, smoother, shinier state, at least to the naked eye. I don't think the video is picking it up accurately enough. This is one of those cases where I feel you put in maybe 5% of the effort and you get 95% of the result. It is almost effortless. Apply the paste, let it dry, wipe it off, you're done. So, quick tip. I hope this was helpful. Thank you, folks. Best of luck in your projects, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.